G'day. Today we're doing a bit of work on an FRR600 Isuzu. Got the Allison transmission in it, and it's 2019 model. Now what's happening, it goes into limp mode intermittently. So what we've done, we've taken out as many of the solenoids as we can, flushed them out, demagnetized them, flushed them out, and also we've taken the switch plate off and flushed that out. Now when you're taking that plate off, just be aware that there are little springs there as well that will come down with little valves. The only two solenoids that we haven't been able to remove are those two up there. You need to remove the valve body to access that. Good idea to also spray a bit of lithium grease or dielectric grease on your plugs there as well while you've got it out. And these also have a spin-on inline cooler filter. You can get a thermal bypass valve, get rid of the little thermal valve in there so you've got constant cooling, which we'll probably do at a later stage as well. The switch plate, we've flushed it out. Occasionally you can't get the muck out from underneath those little contact plates, but we've done the best we can. And we've got the original magnet there. You can see it's a good idea to leave it up on the ridge just so you get top and bottom working, and we're going to add a neodymium magnet as well. Just make sure it's not in the way of anything when you place it, wherever you place it. And because there's a fair bit of varnish in there, we're going to put a Lube Guard Platinum transmission fluid conditioner in there. See the transmission fluid there, varnish all over the inside of the transmission. There we go, we've still got the spin-on filter to put on and put some transmission fluid in there. Make sure we're using the Tritec full synthetic multi, which is compatible with the Allison transmission fluid, and also we're going to just put a bit of dielectric grease on that plug. Not much information there. We've just flushed the demagnetized, flushed the solenoids, flushed out the switch plate, and done a service on it. We'll see how it goes if it keeps going into limp mode. I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments or suggestions in the section below. Don't forget to throw us a beer if any of this information helps. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching.